Canva, I am done with you today.
Hi, chat. Welcome in. We're back. It's me. Back with more Final Fantasy. Let's see. What do I have to yap about today? I started school yesterday, and that's great because the first class I'm taking is called the Gamification of Society. And the only quiz that we have is the final, which is great, by the way. But every week there's a discussion. And this first week, the discussion is like a three-parter. But the first part of that three-parter is, what is one moment in gamification or gaming that has like stuck with you for the longest time? And I'm just like, oh my gosh, because I haven't answered yet because I was still deciding. And I decided on
Kingdom Hearts related.
Shut up. Yes, it is. please.
I had to put it in the chat too.
Yes, it is Kingdom Hearts related. It's specifically the moment in Kingdom Hearts 1. And spoilers for a 24-year-old game, but at this point I don't care. When Sora literally stabs himself to save Kairi, he smiles and just stabs himself with the heart with a keyblade, and little me, little tiny baby me was like, did he just die? I'm pretty sure he just died. And I was so shocked. He dead. And everyone runs off, but then the camera doesn't pan anymore. And you're like, what's going on? And then you just see a Heartless. And then you're like, why is this Heartless just chilling here? And then you move the joystick. And you're like, oh my God, I'm a Heartless.
Oh my God, he dead.
And it's fun because you're playing the little Heartless. It's a very short section. He's just skittering and it's cute. But when you go think back to that whole section, here's this 13-year-old kid. It's just yeah, I'm okay with just stabbing myself in the heart to save a friend. No big deal. With a smile on his face. And to know that part is what set off the rest of the games, lore wise, is insane. Because when you start to think about because he created the Heartless, and then he created the Nobody because of that Heartless, but because he had Kairi's heart, it was a whole thing. And I'm just wow. But the second part of that discussion is, what's one thing in gaming that annoys you? I forget the exact wording, but basically one thing that you just hate about gaming that things have revolved around, that things have evolved to these days.
Is it similar farming sims with no variety?
That's part of it. Kinda. I was gonna say it's me and my it's the lack of whimsy. AAA games do not care about whimsy anymore. They care about being Souls-likes, or just The Last of Us, or the super depressing and dark games. And I'm just give me Spyro. Or, give me Zelda. Because Zelda, we look at Twilight Princess and Majora's Mask. Those are dark as hell games, but they're still very whimsical. They don't take themselves too seriously. And I think we've gone away from that, which is crazy, because that's what makes games fun. Because now it's just copy and paste. And then that's the other thing with farming sims and cozy games. They're all the same.
Stardew Valley just kind of set the bar, and now everybody's using that as the base.
Yeah, and they're all trying to be Stardew Valley, which it's not going to be the same. And please don't hate me for this. I love Stardew Valley as a concept, as a game, but it can get boring after a while. Because after 2 years, all the content just repeats, and I get get so much over it. I've never completed it, but I'm just like, it's not on my high list. But I can also say the same thing about like horror games, like indie horror games. All of them are keep trying to.
Five Nights at Freddy's. Mascot horror.
Yeah, it's done irreparable damage to the horror genre. And don't get me wrong, I don't even play horror games, but like every other game is just mascot, lore, and they care too much about the lore, and they kind of lose the game in the process. You know?
All the time.
All the time. Like you can speak on that.
Like spin-off games to be able to put in like lore, but they try to stuff it in with the gameplay, and it's like, look, it's either you have one or the other. You can't try to stuff them into both.
Like things get too muddled, and it's like, okay, because like I think back to Markiplier's rant about the last chapter of Poppy's Playtime, and how like some of the lore was like in these sections that you aren't even thinking about lore. You're trying to get past the section, and you're like, what do you mean I missed a whole big old piece of the story because I was looking for something else?
It doesn't give you time to like explore the different elements of what's happening in the game, because you're like trying to like survive, and you're like running so fast. You're like, all right, what's happening here? I don't even know what's happening because I'm trying to survive. And it's like, well, if you want me to pick up lore, you could have made it something a little bit more like, I get explore the game, but if you don't give me time to explore, what good is it?
Exactly. So yeah. So
Spin-off games are good for that.
Yeah. What's one moment in gaming that you can think of that like stuck with you, where like ever? And it doesn't have to be as profound as, you know, that whole part with Kingdom. That's a unique situation, and
I'd have to say, for me personally, for some reason, it is like being introduced to Ocarina of Time when you first travel to the future for the first time, and then like everything is like in disarray, and you're like, what the fuck just happened?
Yes, that's actually the other one I was thinking. I was like bouncing back and forth between that one and the Kingdom Hearts one, but you know, Kingdom Hearts. But because also like when you're pulling out the Master Sword, and then fucking Ganondorf's right there, you're like, what do you mean? How are you in here? And then everything just goes to shit.
Like once you like see once you get done collecting all the stones, you see like this big scene where like Ganon comes chasing after Zelda out with Impa out the gate. You're kind of just like, all right, what's happening here? And then you go ahead, and next thing you know, you're in the fucking temple, and then you're older, and you're like, okay, the first thing you see is this thing is like chaos and destruction and disarray, and you're like, how did we get here?
And it's such a stark contrast, because when you first get into Hyrule Castle Town, it's all lively. People are dancing, people are laughing, having a kiki, having a good old time. And then when you leave the Temple of Time after the 7-year time skip, there's just death, just like
Everybody's
zombies and super dead.
And then I think about going into the very first temple after that, because you're like, okay, I'm gonna go meet up with a childhood friend that I haven't seen in forever. And then next thing you know, it's like, oh, she's not where she used to be, but it's in still the same area. And there's more to explore in this area than I was led to believe. So now it's like everything's so much, it's like a bigger world, even though it seems like it's a small area. Everything just kind of gets more built upon, and you're like, why is it so much bigger than what it seemed like when I was doing it in child form versus adult form?
Like, literally, because like you think about Death Mountain, like in the Gorons, because you have to literally go back to Death Mountain, and you're like, oh wow, what do you mean he's stuck in a fire temple and he can't get out because he went to go fight?
Was that not what I did earlier? Was that not the fire temple? Like, no, it was just a cave.
No,
that was not a temple. That was a cave.
And then you get to the fucking not the spirit temple, but
the shadow temple, bottom of the well.
Yeah, no, it's bottom of the well and the shadow temple in general, and you find out all these atrocities that the Sheikah have done for the royal family, and you're like, what do you mean that there's a torture chamber here?
What do you mean there's a torture chamber? Like, yeah, torture chamber's like,
and it's just right above the graveyard, just there the whole time, but you don't get to see it until you reach certain parts and you're like, what the fuck? Because it's all hidden because you have to get the lens of truth and you're like, crazy.
It's so crazy. Yeah, that's one of them. That's definitely one of them. It's like getting older and Ocarina of Time definitely takes the cake for me.
Mm-hmm. But yeah.
And as far as what's repetitive, definitely is the mascot horror franchise. As a person who loves horror games, like, I'm like, I get it. It got popular, and I'm not against, making money where money is.
Mm-hmm.
I am never gonna be against that. If it works, if they're living by the rule, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But it's like, okay, but how much more are we going to do with this before we kind of like retire it as an option and move on to something else? Because even though technically, like, Five Nights at Freddy's, it literally like has expanded to more than what it is, and I'm like, okay, that's definitely a franchise that's just kind of like running to the brakes fall off at this point.
Yeah, they're squeezing that, but it makes sense because
like adding. That's what started it, and people are going to be like, we want more, and I'm like, we need to just accept that some things we can just let die.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just accept that we can just let it go. He was fine with the 4 games, and everybody's like, no, we want more. It's like, but how much more can we get
movies
out of this? Okay, yeah, we got the movies, which I appreciate, but then it's like, nothing is making sense anymore. Well, everybody's trying to like make sense, and that's another thing. We need to stop trying to make things make sense. If it's not connected, it ain't connected.
Yeah. Like, if going back to that, there's a whole Zelda timeline. Like, don't get me wrong, it's cool how they try to connect things, but at the same time, it wasn't originally supposed to be connected. It just kind of happened.
Just let it go. Just accept that it is what it is.
It just is at this point. Like, the only game that I'm cool with everything connecting because is Kingdom Hearts, just because it all does connect. It's very convoluted, but it was meant to connect at the beginning. Like, there was
like if it started out as an option to connect the things, then that makes sense. But if it's like, oh, because the fans wanted it, we forced it, it's like, dude, come on now. Because then you start having people like, well, this doesn't make sense. Well, of course, because it wasn't supposed to make sense.
It wasn't. Like, Breath of the Wild, I'm fully convinced was supposed to just be a reset. Not even on the timeline, just a whole new section of the series that just is.
Parallel universe.
Yeah. Like Echoes of Wisdom. That doesn't fit anywhere. At all. It completely tells the creation story of how everything came to be. Whoops, my bad. I hit my microphone. But people are still trying to make it fit. I'm just like, just let it be.
Just let it go. It's cool. It's cool where it's at. Like, if it's a game that's technically a sequel, because we all know Majora's Mask came after Ocarina of Time. We accept that. Cool.
And then Twilight Princess comes after that. Like, that all makes sense.
I'm willing to accept those 3 as a timeline. I'm willing to accept that because it makes sense.
And even Wind Waker and all that, because, all that. Those 4 I'm okay with.
Wind Waker, what is it? Phantom Hourglass, those things. I'm willing.
True.
If it's like a direct sequel, I'm willing
Spirit
to
Tracks
accept
too. Okay, that one.
But like, that one is.
Yeah, but after that, like Link's Awakening is just supposed to be a side story. Like, it's a dream. They straight said it's a dream. It's not
Dream
supposed
theory.
to fit anywhere. It's just supposed to be.
And they're like, the fans say we cannot accept that. It's supposed to be there because you have elements from other Zelda games. Yeah, that's what happens. It's a franchise.
Like, we reuse characters because it's easy. Like, you can go into a game because you know this character and you don't have to completely explain their backstory all over again.
Like, think about how much differently Majora's Mask would have been as a game if they did not say, hey, by the way, you only got a year to make this bitch.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Like, I mean, hell, even looking at a game developer, of course I'm going to reuse the fucking assets. Like, I have a year to do this? Hell no.
Oh, I ain't gonna sit here designing out new characters, give them all names. I have a hard time making up names in general.
Right? Like they give a few new names, but like, still, like, yeah.
reusing character. They're like, oh, that's what everybody's doing. Tizzy, I'm like, yeah, the Majora's Mask would have been a completely different game if it wasn't like, oh, hey, by the way, we're gonna have a year, crank this out now. It's like you're not giving us enough time.
Nope.
Could you imagine though?
I think it would have been awesome. Like on the backbones of Ocarina of Time. One, obviously everyone knows that Majora's Mask is my personal favorite. I wonder just how much more it could be, you know? They probably could have put so much if they weren't as restricted.
Oh, absolutely. That's how a lot of games have fallen through because of the time crunch.
Unrealistic standards.
Like a year is not a lot of time. It's like we need about like 2+.
2+ at the minimum, because even just coming up with the concept itself, going through the concept art, the story, like that takes at least 4 to 6 months minimum. Like unless you already had an idea at the very beginning of the first game, like
even as an idea, dude, you still got to put the moving pieces and parts together, and it's like, how is this gonna work? There's gonna be a time where you hit so many brick walls where you're like, that doesn't work. That doesn't make sense. And how many ideas you scrapped because you hated it? You're like, I like the idea in theory, but now I hate it.
And then there's all the technical limitations of like whatever console you're going on at the moment, or whatever like computer, and you're like, okay, this is a great concept in theory, but I don't have the technical abilities because it's just too big of an asset to use at this very moment in time.
It's kind of hard to imagine now with how far software has become. Like talking about N64 days, yeah, that makes sense.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Like, where's the freaking limit now?
And there is none, but and I think we've come full circle because games have been so worried about pushing those technical limits, getting the best graphics that they absolutely can, but that they forget the core part of the actual game.
I'm like, do they not understand that we all enjoy pixel games now? We still enjoy pixel games.
We very much still enjoy pixel games. Like, I think about how It Takes Two was a game of the year one year. And it's a couch co-op game about two parents almost going through a divorce. And people were like, hell yeah! Because it was whimsical.
Relatability. It's like, I wish my parents would have did this so they didn't have to get divorced.
Right? Marriage counseling. Everyone should get it, whether you're going through bad times or not. It helps.
Yeah.
Like, there was actually, when we were still in Hawaii, my husband and I went to like a 2-day marriage retreat at a resort that was like paid for by the military. It was really cool. And like even those 2 days, like me, I pride myself that me and my husband have a very strong relationship. I mean, we should have. It's been 18 fucking years at this point. But even just those 2 days, because it went through like different like techniques and how to talk to each other and like how to say what's on your mind, really. It was super powerful, even just for those 2 days. So I believe in marriage counseling for everyone.
Definitely.
But yeah, I think that was the only thing I needed to yap out.
We did yap.
Okay. Unless you have anything else to say.
Do I have anything else to say?
Do you?
I don't think so.
Well, in that case, let's play some Final Fantasy. But I just felt like that was a really on-brand topic because I was just like, okay, we're playing video games right now, so hey, we might as well talk about video games. And I'll have probably more video games to talk about because this class is 7 weeks long, and then after I'm done with this class, I start my game design class in July. Yeah, and that'll be fun. And then I think I start. I can look while I'm in queue. Let's see. Go to.
You're still in queue?
I wanted to wait, okay? And
I can't say anything. I've been sitting in game for a while, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay, look. I knew I had to yap, so I just decided to wait, okay?
Yep.
Yep. Let me look at fall semester. Nope, do not need to enroll. I already have all my classes. Unless I wanted to take, I'm just kidding, no. I have 4 or 5 classes in fall. Art history, art 101, contemporary art. Oh, I have it's a programming class in fall, which is fun. I'm trying to get my minor classes kind of out of the way as soon as possible, because I have to take 6 of them. So by the fall, I'll be halfway there, and then I'll be taking game.
Halfway there, living on a prayer.
Yep, I'll be taking game design and then advanced game design, and I think I'm gonna do. I think it's one when it comes to like 3D and 3D game design, but we'll see. We'll see.
We shall see. All right, so we got our mounts for our.
We did, and we can't use them right now.
Not in town, anyway.
Oh wait, where's my HUD layout? Actually,
wait, where wasn't there a way to like we can like put it on the bar or something? Was I crazy?
You're not crazy. I just don't. Do they change things?
Where is it? Not duty. I looked under travel, but it says mount. It just gives me mount speed. But actually summoning my mount, I don't. Huh. Roll.
They must have changed something, because why can't I? Hold up. Hotbar.
Yeah, I don't.
Settings. Weird. Okay. Well, I have some.
I found my sprint action. I found that.
Well, that's good. I have some extra slots on my second hotbar that I'm just gonna put it there.
Wait, where'd you find it at?
What?
The mount.
Oh, that's gonna be under mount guide.
Wait, under which one?
So in the place where you go to your character, but under that is gonna be mount guide.
Character.
So it goes character, armory chest, inventory, companion, mount guide.
It's me. I'm the problem.
Okay.
You said character.
So if we're looking at your screen, because we're gonna go from the beginning. So if you're in any type of menu, X out of it. Just start from
it.
Okay. So the bottom right hand corner, and then the far left circle where it says character. And then under companion, there should be something that says mount guide.
Okay. There you go. I don't know why that was so hard to find. My brain was like, no.
It's okay. You've had a long day.
I did.
All right. So we're doing our class quests, I think, and our main quest. Both of those are not here.
No, I think they're back in Limsa Lominsa.
I think actually, let's see, map.
Oh, look in there. So Back from the Woods is actually, I think, here.
Nope, that is in Ul'dah.
Oh yeah.
And then the other one, the Acerites of the Flame, is one that in a place that we haven't been before.
Which is also in Ul'dah?
It is also in Ul'dah, but now that we have mounts, it'll be a lot quicker to get there.
Oh, thank God.
So let's go to the airship and make passage to Ul'dah. I love saying Ul'dah for some reason. It's just fun.
Ul'dah.
Ul'dah.
Airship landing.
There's a person named Arya Stardust, and it made me miss my ex's cat. Because her name was Arya. And to this day, I should have stole her. She liked me better. Like, she was also really fat, but that one wasn't my fault. I think she was actually fatter than Mac, which is saying something. Because Mac's a fat cat, but no, I think she was a solid 20 pounds. Like she was big.
She was a chunky.
But so pretty. She was a tortie, and she had the, you know, attitude to match.
She got the tortitude.
She had the tortitude. All right, where are we going? And can we just fast travel there? I mean, it's in. Oh, unless it's. Wait.
By Horizon.
Oh no, we're going to the. I know where we're going. We just have to use our Aetheryte tickets. We're silly.
Oh.
Yep, we're going back to the Vesper Bay. My husband is playing with our fat cat right now, actually.
My cats are sleeping. Well, one is. I don't know where the other one is.
I wish I was a cat.
Right?
Like, it's not fair. I'm cute. Enough.
Tataru.
Aww. I'm her favorite adventurer.
Downstairs.
Downstairs. Oops, I was just walking on the wall. Also,
Yes.
Manthilla, please just use our
I
cell
don't understand why
phones.
we have a communicator. It's like that person that calls you and it's like, this could have been a text.
Mm-hmm. I still have Spotify on. Whoops.
Where's his sister?
You know, that's a great question. If I can be perfectly honest, we're not going to see a lot of her in this first part.
She's gone.
Oh, there you go. She's chosen to walk her own path. But she'll be back. Don't worry. She'll be back
I'm
when
not
she...
worried. I was just curious.
Okay. She'll be back when she has a better voice actress.
Find you a better voice actress. I don't know why I updated my OBS stuff like I was streaming today, by the way.
You just wanted to be prepared for tomorrow.
Oh, I'm not streaming tomorrow. I will not be here.
Where are you going?
Well, I will be here, but like not like here.
What are you doing?
Going to a musical.
Without me?
I was invited. What do you want from me?
What are you gonna go see?
What did she say we were gonna go see? That's at Phoenix Theater. I know that. Oh, Ever After.
I've actually not seen that. I've heard of it.
It's based off of a movie. Basically, it's Cinderella-esque.
Okay. Did Amanda invite you? That sounds like an Amanda thing. Yep. How's she doing?
She's doing pretty good. Belimo. He has a very interesting name.
Yeah.
I'm telling you though, I'm so upset that I said I need to be rich because I would buy those seasonal tickets for the ASU Gamage.
Look,
so I can go to multiple musicals.
The one that's gonna be here in Tucson is packed next year. Like 1/6 is coming here to Tucson. And
I know that's gonna be busy.
Yeah. And then I forget what else is coming, but there's a few things that I'd like to see, but I can't justify the
price
of the season ticket yet.
Yeah, I wanted to buy a season ticket because I really wanted to go see Phantom of the Opera. That has been on my bucket list of musicals to go see is Phantom of the Opera.
I don't think I've ever seen the actual stage play. I've only seen the movie.
I never really even finished the movie.
Really?
Yeah. But I like the music, so I was like, I want to actually watch it.
It's really good. I'm still so sad that I wasn't rich because I wanted to go see Meg in Moulin Rouge.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Because Moulin Rouge is so great. I've also only seen the movie of that too, but...
You are far away from home, my little fairy friend. So I wonder, did the fairy stow away on the ship?
Maybe. They're as big as Sataru. I'm sure she's not used to that.
And also, Tataru, you just screamed. It's just a fairy.
It's
creature.
literally
Calm down.
just a fairy. Acting like
She's like, ah. It's like it wasn't really that big.
I'm sure she's just not used to seeing someone the same size.
La Habrea. La Habrea.
I think you're just slightly ahead of me.
Yeah. Me, this could have been an email type of situation.
Look. Have you seen a computer? No.
Okay, our version of email is a little communicator thing, okay?
True. But also espionage. I actually don't know. What if I wanted to be dangerous? Huh?
Be safe. I
No.
want to be safe.
I do what I want. Oh, and that last quest got us 33 more Vesper Ray Aetheryte tickets, so that's nice. I forget how many you get. No wonder I don't think we've run out yet in my other playthrough. Speaking of other playthroughs, oh, I see how it is. I see how it is.
Is that not what we're doing now?
I can't even be mad. But how far have you gotten in your other playthrough? Because chat, she's playing without me, by the way.
She said I was allowed to.
Did I?
Yes.
I don't remember this conversation at all, actually.
So we gotta go back to Ulga.
See, she's ignoring me.
I think I got to like, I can't remember. I think I was like level. I know I'm traveling for sure to different places. But I'm not, I think I was like level 23, I think, or maybe 28. I can't remember off the top of my head, honestly.
On your other playthrough, you're already level 28?
23 or 28, I can't remember.
See, this is what I mean that you're not allowed to pass us in this, because what do you mean you're level 28?
Look, I took my Friday very seriously.
See?
Oh.
See? By the way, this is my cat. But see that you're just like, cause like chat. When she said she was gonna start another playthrough, I was just like, you better not pass us. And she was like, I'm only level 2. Now look at this bitch. We can't fly yet. But anyways, yeah, this bitch. Playing without me.
Look, I am very serious about my job. We technically don't have to walk there. We could just, you know.
I know we can, but we also...
We got mounts, so...
We have mounts, but we want to pause. Stopped. Okay, yeah, it'd be smarter to go from Ulda anyways. Well, from the steps annulled, because we have to also, for our next quest, our class quest, we have to visit like 2 other Aetherites, and it'd be easier on mount. But let's travel to the steps of Nald. And then we, instead of doing the, I guess we could probably do the main quest, and then after that, this quest, we go straight to our class quest. Sound good?
Go straight to our what?
Our class quest.
Is that the level 31?
Yes.
Okay, because I was like, is that our class quest? I didn't remember if we picked it up or not.
We did. We did.
Okay.
And is this right outside? Oh, it is.
I'm like, where is it? Yeah, okay, it's right outside. I was like, where is it? I'm like, forgot you gotta zoom in on the map sometimes.
Yep. Okay, where are you?
Okay, so we got some ways to travel.
Okay. Yeah.
We can go to Camp Drybone.
Yeah. And then from there we can go down to Little Alamigo.
Okay, cool. Out of here.
My game keeps thinking I'm clicking out of it, and I'm not. And I need it to stop.
That's rude. I was like, tell her to stop.
How do we get out of here?
Is it up here?
Looks like it. I'm just like, why are you walking like a peasant? We have mounts.
I was waiting until I was properly outside the gates. Jeez.
Why though?
Because.
Also, my cat mount comes with like its own special song, and it's very cute. And like I have bows on the back of my legs. Like I love this cat. My cat is bigger than Lalafell's. That's funny. Okay.
looks like we got a couple places to go from here.
Yep. I'm gonna go this way. Yep, because one's right here.
Wasn't there a closer one down here, or was I going crazy?
No, there probably was.
They're all...
Yeah. We can go back to that one real quick, though. I'm just like, I didn't need my mount for that one. All right, but I will get my mount to get back up. Whee! Though I can't wait to be able to fly. Flying's so nice. I wonder how our friend is doing.
I wonder indeed. Okay, I mean, I can actually walk this, I guess.
Yeah, it's not that far.
It's when we gotta travel the distance, and I'm gonna be like, eh.
Yep, I am not Hercules. I will not go the distance.
Kihibaru.
Yep, Kihibaru. Okay.
All right. Oh, it's definitely over there. Somewhere.
Game.
Where I don't know.
Game, please.
Oh, it's at the edge of glory.
Okay.
We're off to see the wizard. I wonder who wizard it was.
So yeah, the moment we have to like leave this actual area is when we'll actually just go do our class quest in that case.
Oh, look at the little furble.
The what?
Furbles.
Ah. Oh. They're
Oh,
cute.
what's that dude over there? Oh God. Okay, they're level 27. No big deal.
Oh wait, but they had the thing above their head.
Yeah, no, I said no big deal, but I walked away because they're aggro. I was like,
But no, they have the yellow circle that means that we have to kill them. For the hunting journal.
For like the little thingy thing.
Yeah. I mean, this isn't the last time we'll see them, but like at some point, if we want to, we can. Donde?
I'll get off.
Oh, okay. Smoldering coal. Hostile presence? Yep. Hostile presence. But also, don't you love Archer and being able to shoot and move at the same time?
Yes, I was like, oh my God, I can move at the same time and attack. That's making life so much easier.
It's so nice.
What is that? Oh, level 50. Good Lord.
What?
That thing was level 50.
And that's when we run away, because we don't want that smoke. We'll die immediately.
I sure don't want that smoke. I mean, we could kill them for the experience. We're close to leveling up.
Do you wanna?
Wait, where were they?
They were a little bit farther up.
Ah. Alright, I'm coming. I'm circling around.
Okay, I'm following you, so...
Don't fall. Oh, they're right here.
Oh, amazing.
you ain't got no friends to help you, Lieutenant Dan.
Not Lieutenant Dan.
I was like, I could have sworn there was more when we were last up here. I'm like, was I tripping?
Nah. But also the experience points we get from them is like paltry. It's like, that was 99. And that was it.
I mean, but we still complete the little dex thing, so I think that helps.
Yeah,
sometimes too.
It does.
Oh, you think you're cool because you can hit from far away? You're not cool, my guy.
Because we can too.
What do you think you were doing, my guy? Okay, he hit hard as shit.
Okay. Well,
Did we kill enough?
I have no idea. We can wait till they oh wait, there's some over. Nope, there's some over here.
Oh, we need the ranger. We killed the bruiser. I guess I'll start on this guy because he's gonna start hitting us from the side. Get up off her, dude.
Like, back the fuck up.
Get out her face.
Get wrecked. See anyone else? Gotta wait till some respawn. Nope, still need another one.
Nope.
Lord.
Wait, where'd you go? Oh.
Not moved, really.
Was out of attack range.
It'd be like that sometimes.
Okay, it's logged them.
Okay, amazing. Yeah, we can
All right,
go.
back
To life, back to reality. Also, I'm not sure if you saw on stream, I added more different stream avatars. They're little stars. Because my chat is my stars now. They're my little stars. Stars. Because, you know, space.
Ooh.
What?
Hold on. I go get the door real quick. Hold on.
Okie dokie.
Hold on.
Well. Hi, chat. I'm just gonna wait here for a second while she goes and answers her door. Like a human. It's so funny. I just got this model, right? Like, not even a month ago. And like, I think it's only been rigged for like 2 weeks. At most, maybe 3. I'm already thinking about my next model. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I just don't think I want gloves next time. I don't know why. I like them. They're cute.
Returned.
But I'm not feeling them. Welcome back. I was just talking about chat about how I'm thinking about getting a second model.
No gloves.
No gloves.
Love.
Why do you have so many quests?
Now we're on. Because he wants to send us on a rigmarole. And now to Alamigo.
Oh, is that where? That's convenient because we have to go there anyways.
Now, which way is Alamigo?
I think it's south from here. Yeah.
Adjoining area.
Because we're at Camp Drybone.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's south.
Yeah. So I'm sure if we follow this, we can get there.
Hold on, I'm getting there. Okay, I figured it out. Let's
Okay.
go.
I'll let you lead.
I always grab the map.
Ma'am, please don't fall off the edge. You scare me sometimes. Because this map is not linear.
Oh, that's an earth sprite. I was like, what is that?
Yep. Ooh, what's this?
What is this?
Oh, I think it's one of those golems. But you know,
It's frozen?
I guess.
Okay, well, not my problem.
Nope. That is not our problem. I don't think it's ever
I
gonna
just
be.
took that detour because I was curious of what was happening over there.
Apparently frozen
Okay.
enemies. Hey, look, a fate.
Nope, not joining this fate.
I mean,
Nope.
we are like twice the level it needs to be, so we couldn't even if we wanted to. I mean, we could, but only to level sync. I'm not doing that. No. No. Also, why are those things called nannies?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
Why don't you know?
I don't know, honestly. Whee! New location.
Sabo Tinder.
Cactar. I actually have a new Cactar emote. It's cute.
Dar. Ew.
And it's
It's
animated.
a snake.
A snake?
Snake.
Oh. I was like, where? It's like, since when does snakes have legs? But. Alrighty. Going through some mines. Maybe.
Let us in.
Oh, I know where we are. Okay. Like, I've obviously been to all of these places, but I'm just like, I don't remember names. I go by visuals. All right, so I think it's actually out. Is it through here?
It's this way. I just wanted to tune
Okay.
to the 8th, right? Hihira.
Hihira. Oh, this is the main story. Okay. Okay.
Looks like a cutscene's about to happen, and it is.
Yep. Let's see. Don't tell me what to do.
But you're not welcome here. Be gone. What I heard him say with his Colonel Sanders mustache is, "Go and get from around here."
I mean, yes, basically. Do,
Why
do,
he's so
do, do,
rude?
do, do. Because
Why you gotta be so rude?
don't you know I'm human too? I love that song.
He doesn't think we're human, I guess. We're humanoid, I guess.
I'm a bunny. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm right here, don't worry. I'm not gonna yell at you this time. Quote unquote this time.
I waited. Okay, we weren't even supposed to go this way.
Whoopsies. Oh, do we need to go outside? Looks like we need to go outside.
Yeah, I'm like, we need to go outside. I'm like, this place confuses me.
Do. Looks like it might. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Wee, wee.
What you doing back here by this wall? He's over here like, I'm sweating.
Game.
What did the game do?
It keeps like thinking that I'm clicking out of it, and I'm not.
That's rude.
Very. All right.
Doesn't make sense why we can't talk to people from on top of our mounts.
I know. That'd make life too easy.
You get a tea. You get a tea.
Everybody gets a tea.
Oh, he was just right here.
Oh. Well, I'm lazy. Okay.
I feel like the chocobo was like, no, you did not call me over here just to walk over there like in 2 seconds.
I mean, at least you used your chocobo. The moment I got a mount, I was like, Cat. Her name is Callie, by the way. Do we want to go grab our class quest real quick? Is this way?
Where is? Oh, it's down this way. It's down this way. Oh, hey, it's more of those guys that we destroyed.
Oh, what do you mean level 45? I'm just gonna slowly back away.
Oh. Should we just like run past them and hope for the best?
Yep, we have mounts. We're good. Just you don't see us. We do not exist.
Hide behind the tortoise. Oh dear Lord.
It's okay. It's okay. Ah! Run away! Run away! Run away! Run away!
It is not okay.
Run away! Run away!
Did you go? Oh gosh.
We're good. We just keep running.
Where'd you go?
Farther south. I just kept running.
Oh god, he does magic. He does magic.
You don't see me. I do not exist.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep running.
You know,
Running like my life depends on it, damn it.
I'm getting a flashback of I've been in this area before, and I think I had to do like a fight, and I got my shit rocked. And I don't know if that's this like same quest that we're about to go on, but I just remember. No, I don't think it was a class quest because I think both me and my husband did it. But
I'm like trying to get to safety, like please.
oh look, sandworms.
Yeah, everything is like that looks like a tentacle.
It does. Which is why I'm gonna stay way the fuck over here until I have to.
Are they aggro? They should. Oh, it's level 31. We're fine.
Okay, we're okay. But like, why were those level 45s like right there? That's crazy.
What? No, seriously, that was wild. Insanity, even. Why are we in the Grand Canyon, for Christ's sake?
Because they wanted to remind us of home, okay?
I did not wish to be reminded of home.
Ooh, there.
Oh, look, random person glowing in the desert.
That's fun. Goodbye, bestie. I think this is the one I actually got my shit rocked. We'll see. Hee.
It might be. I might get my shit rocked a couple times.
I've only ever had to do a duty like this twice, because I always go on easy mode the second time. Like, if I have to redo something, I'm not...
Ah, hello.
Oh, hi, Ifrit. What's up?
Okay.
No, this is not the one I got my shit rocked. I'm pretty sure. Where is my carbuncle?
Hey, it's my carbuncle.
I don't think a fire carbuncle is going to do much against a fire primal.
Stop making sense.
No. Oh, fine.
I'm gonna let myself heal up real quick.
Yep.
Gotta run. Jesus. Huh.
You have a slither of health. Thank you. It's like, fucking die already.
He doesn't want to die.
He did not.
Sir, if you could just please just die, I'd appreciate it.
Is he like right there?
Yeah, it's like a corner, just like a knob, and the duty is complete.
See, that wasn't too bad.
No, it wasn't. How dare you just walk away after that?
Right? Like, you take us with you.
I'm like, for real, take us with you. All right.
Oh, wait,
And
before
that one
we
have to go.
Do you just want to travel?
That one's back at Gridania.
Yeah. But do you want to just travel back to Little Alamigo so we don't have to accidentally run into those level 45?
Yeah,
things?
that was absolutely like atrocious.
Did you deny?
What was that?
I don't know. But did you have you?
I forgot it was automatic. It's been a minute.
No. But you haven't did my party invite. You haven't accepted it.
Oh, I thought I said yeah.
No, obviously not.
That's so weird.
Weird. It's okay. I know you hate me.
Okay, where? Oh, stop your dramatics.
Never. Would you love me if I wasn't dramatic?
I mean, yes, but it just kind of comes with what we're doing now. So it doesn't have to be. It's a requirement at this point for you.
Yeah. Yeah, I am a Leo.
Duty!
Duty?
I just wanted to say duty.
Oh, I was like, what duty? Where? I don't see a duty.
Okay.
I was scared for a second.
All right, looks like we need to go back. So we need to use that ticket.
Okie dokie. I have exactly 68 tickets. Darn.
I also have 68. We're one away
One away.
from being immature.
I'm always immature. What are you talking about?
This is true. That's how you came up with the name today.
Look, hey, you're the one who accidentally, you chose it. I was just fucking around, and you're like, hey, I actually kind of like that. So whose fault is that?
I mean, it's easy to kind of work with too.
See?
But only we will know the story of how we got there.
Yep. We, us, and my husband. Because I told him too. Because I was giggling.
It's okay. I haven't told Poison yet. I don't even think he knows the page exists yet.
That's funny. I mean, obviously, I was your first follower on Instagram, so hair flip.
Yes.
I was also your first subscriber on YouTube too, so hair flip.
Wait, what happened?
Well, I think I was your first subscriber on YouTube, or maybe. No, I know it was Russ's first subscriber. For a fact.
On YouTube?
I think so. I don't remember.
It's been a long time. I haven't even made the YouTube page for that email yet. I haven't gotten there yet.
Not yet.
So one last thing I do have to do.
Hey, it comes in time. You'll get there.
Oh, did I not get the mission? I did not.
Did you walk away before you accepted it?
when I walked.
You don't hear me say, please. Oh, baby, don't go.
That was fun. I kind of walked away. I was getting a little ahead of myself. I was like, all right, cool. No, I got it. Okay, so it was outside. It's just someone, it was confusing because they're all in this one building, damn it.
Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel tonight. It's hard to let it go.
So it was outside
Hold me. Whatever lies beyond this warning is a little later on. Regardless of warning, the future doesn't scare me at all.
Is it out here?
Nothing's like before.
Or was it inside the building?
Honestly, I don't really. I think it might be actually still in there, but I was distracted. I blame you. You distracted me.
Well, because I was like, who's giving us the thing? Because I didn't see nothing over her head. So is it someone in here?
Oh, I forgot about this place over here. So you go into the walking sands and it's in
right.
Yeah.
The other direction. Yeah.
Got that this is in here.
Right. It's like we've never really been to these other pieces in here, so that's why I was confused. Like, wait.
Macaroni.
Mag attack.
He did a he was like over there. Again, he does this thing where he just walks out of the room and meows in a weird voice.
It's like you're freaking weirdo.
Oh, hey, it's you two. Hi, guys. So, if in that same place, there's Biggs and Wedge, the two people that we found out near that one airship. And your Stola is here. Ida and Papolimo. Everyone's in here, actually. I never noticed that.
It's a whole party. Okay, where are we going? Is this back to Gridania? Okay, so we have to go to the airship.
I'll be there in a second. 1 second. Please hold. I would like to start singing. Like, actually. I love singing. Get myself like a VTuber mic. I'm right here. Fine. Oh, I was about to start joining you. Okay.
Okay, so we have to go back to Gridania, which is perfect because our other job quest is also there too.
Huzzah.
So the easiest place to teleport here is we don't have an 8th right in here, do we? Where we're at currently?
Nope. But we could probably travel to Ulda and then
we can go to Ulda.
Yeah, the steps of Nald and then take the 8th right downstairs to the
airship.
Yep.
We're going to the airport.
The airport? No, we're not.
Bingo! You're going to the airport.
Airport? We're not going to the airport. I now remember the quote. They did not need to make Bluey so fun. It's so cute.
I still laugh at Peppa Pig. Do you know how to whistle?
You mean like this?
It's like,
Click.
no, I don't. How do you whistle? What's whistling? You put your lips together and blow. I can't whistle. Like this? Click.
Like, you know, and that's so real because she's like, you lying ass bitch.
Like the immediate hang of having weak, I was like, bro. Peppa, you didn't have to hang up on your homie like that.
But she did. She did.
Peppa said, you ratchet ass bitch. No, you did not just put your lips together and whistle when I just told you I can't.
Like, you fake ass hoe.
That was too funny. You just put your lips together and blow. Like this. Whistles. Click. It's like, you trifling ass bitch.
Where are we going?
Let's see. It's gonna be an old Gridania.
Let's see, is there an aetheryte near there?
Yeah, we got some aetherites in there.
Okay, I'm just gonna go to
Let's
the
see.
big aetheryte.
What is it by? It is by the closest one. I think is probably the amphitheater. I guess.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, it looks like the amphitheater is the closest one. You just put your lips together and blow. It's like, you know what?
Fake ass friends.
Peppa said, "You fake ass bitch! How dare you?" You don't have to do all that. Well, we can't have our chocobos in here. I found my sprint, so I'm sprinting.
She be sprinting.
I wish I could sprint like this in real life. I'd only get like 3 seconds in and I'd be breathing hard. Like,
same. Which is crazy because I used to run track.
I never ran track. I was very athletic though.
That's how I fucked up my knee, actually.
Oh damn.
Yeah, I was a sprinter, and then they randomly made me run the 400, and I had not trained for that, by the way. Luckily, because me and my sister are 4 years apart, but she was a senior when I was in 8th grade, but because it's a small town, we all use the same track. And my sister was also in track too. And like, I was like practicing the 400, because I still had to technically practice. She saw me limping, and she was like, "What the fuck is wrong with my sister?" And almost cussed my coach out. But yeah. So I have a knee injury that just, I don't think actually ever fully healed. And yeah, that's the story of how I fucked up my knee.
All right. What's up for a knee, y'all?
Some Ask Lara lore for you. Quarry mill.
We can't, so we gotta get to level 35 before we can do our next one here.
Yep.
So we have to go to the quarry mill.
The quarry mill. The quarry.
Alright, it's far as fuck, but far as fuck, boy, let's go.
Whee! Oh, at least it's right there, though. That's convenient.
Wait, where was it? Oh, down here. Okay. Whee!
Why are you so rude?
Because he likes being rude.
You just called him a horse son.
Mefrid.
Mefrid?
Mefrid, killing him softly. Strumming the pain with fingers.
Yes, he was.
Singing my life with his voice.
Killing me
Softly
with his word. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly with his song.
That's my easiest go-to karaoke song because I know.
Anyways.
What happened?
The look on my husband's face. He was like, "Oh my god."
He was not expecting you to just belt out like that.
He was not. Which he like should be by now, but you know.
I'm like, sir, you should be used to this by now. This is nothing new.
I think it was just the sheer volume of it, like, cause I think I have pretty decent like diaphragm control, so I can control my volume pretty well, and it was just so loud. But it was funny because that also hurt because I can already feel my abs from my prison workout today.
Hey, I've been exploring all over here.
What do you mean?
On my other file.
Are you saying that you've passed me? Because I'll be mad.
I've indeed been here. What?
Have you done this quest, ma'am?
I don't know if I've done this quest specifically.
And ma'am, are you just gonna let them kill me?
Sorry, I thought I clicked on them.
You better not have. I'll yell at you.
Oh no, we made the other one angry.
Cause like I will go get my other archer, move her data center, and be an archer with you. Cause she's about the same level actually. Mind you, I'd have to, you know, pay for her to switch, but still.
Why did we walk back like peasants?
I don't know. I was just following you.
Stop following me.
No. Oop, I almost just fell down. Oh, that was a gigantic beast.
Oh, that scared the shit out of me. That was unexpected. He just said, okay, calm down, sir, calm down.
Never. Why are you walking again like a peasant?
Was it outside? I thought it was in the city. That's why I didn't look at exactly where it was at.
My philosophy, if it's off screen, it's probably somewhere far.
To walk by a fate. We're not gonna walk into it. Okay, fine. I guess I can't jump off that rock.
You thought.
Oh yeah, in the Archer file, I've been all over this place.
She's trying to pass me, chat, and it's kind of rude.
No, it's just that this is where you started, so of course I explore this area a lot.
Excuses.
We can bring our chocobos in the bar?
Yep.
That feels very unsanitary.
I mean, they're dog-friendly bars places, right?
As long as they're not Gordon Ramsay.
What?
So there was a video where Gordon Ramsay actually like had the dogs inside his restaurant, and I was like, that's kind of unsanitary, dude. Like, outside, cool, but if it's not like a designated like place like that for like dogs, it's like you should probably not have them in there.
And that's fair. And you know, honestly, don't get me wrong, I love dogs. I really don't think they need to be everywhere.
Exactly. I'm like, I love dogs. Like, you know, like I just feel like there's just a time, some place where you shouldn't have a dog in certain areas, and it's like, come on now.
Yep. And it's like, can I bring my dog? But, no. Why? His separation anxiety. Take him to training.
I went the wrong way. Don't pay no mind to me.
Like, I get it. My dog gets lonely. But I don't need to worry about a dog when I'm drinking.
No, it's like, especially if you're out drinking and the dog's at the bar with you, it's like, bro, I'm not gonna be worried about that dog.
Nope. Because all it takes is one shot too many.
That dog is somewhere off. Well, who knows fuck where with me.
Exactly. And the thing is, it's always dogs. You don't see cats out here in the streets like that.
Never cats.
Like, my cat wouldn't want to anyways.
My cat would be like, why'd you bring me around all these peasants?
She barely likes me. Can't y'all talk to each other? Why are you guys making us go back and forth?
And it's like, talk to him. No, dog to him. It's like, I ain't doing this no more.
There's one that actually reminds me. I was like 11 or 12 when this happened, and my sister and my mom were like using me to talk to each other. And I got kind of fed up with it. I was like, I'm not an owl, and just walked away. Mind you, I was still very much into Harry Potter at the time, but they're like, oh, damn, okay.
You're like, well, tell her this. No, you tell her, damn it. Oh, God, it's a mission that's in the middle of a fate. Come on now, really?
Is it? Oh, no, it's right. It's over here. It's fine. We're fine. We're fine.
Oh, wait, I think we just passed the area where we needed to be.
It's right here. He's literally right here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I guess I should probably get off my mount, huh?
Probably. Who else is attacking me? Oh, no, it's still the goblin. Never mind. Ugh. He just has bombs.
Sarah, are you alive?
Oh. It took a little bit for the thing to pop up for me, so bear with me.
It didn't even pop up for me. I just clicked on him and it went to the cutscene. Our oath to reclaim the homeland.
Who did your braids, sir? Those are clean.
Yeah, I was like, who did you... Can I have that hairstyle?
Right?
Give us more hairstyles.
Just like get the like little free hair in the back when it's really pretty. Kind of just like actually that's literally my hairstyle for my VTuber, which is actually kind of hilarious. Like, but still, I think it's cute. I've always wanted my hair like that. Getting your hair done is so expensive nowadays.
It really is.
For no reason, and for these braiders not to wash your hair.
Come out blow dried and then put oh my god, the reason why I don't like getting my hair done is literally because they'll put like a shit ton of like gel on your scalp,
and it's unnecessary.
My scalp is itchy like hell.
All right, before we continue, it is time for my first break. So chat, go ahead and take a bathroom break real quick. I will be right back.
She needs a break.
I'm gonna leave Discord on so they can hear you talk.
Look. Survival instinct at its finest. Oh. So what's up, chat?
Oh, god damn 6-7. There we go. Much better. 6-9.
I solemnly swear I'm up to no good. Actually, I should probably use this time to get some water myself.
I win. And I got an achievement for that. Shit. Ha, you laughed at me, but now who's laughing, bitch? I am. Why are you making it worse?
20s? Are you serious?
3 nat 20s.
Oh, I should probably go to the ground. That'll help.
God damn it! I'm jumping off. Or that.
What about when I try to survive? You just kicked me off. You're like, no, bitch, you're not living without
We're
me.
dying right now. Come here. You little shit. Like he's always just ha 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 ha. Oh.
Okay, I got this. Damn you, my cart!
That
was Get out!
There's CDs under the bed, classical jazz, religious, ska. Bring out the trumpets.
care.
Wahoy mahoy.
Me hoy, me hoy.
I'm sorry. That works. Whee!
Bullshit.
What even happened there? Shot that. Come here. You little shit. Like, he's always...
What is it you do here?
I look out for the best interests of the Volus people. No easy task considering how often we are overlooked by the council.
It's because you're short. No, there's no way this is gonna be 5, right? What? I still can't.
Rolling around at the speed of sound.
Got places to go, gotta follow.
I have returned, chat. Is she back? All right, I was looking. Ooh, pick up that lollipop. She has not returned.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
This is how I get kidnapped.
Self-mental. What the fuck is that thing? Oh, why are you chasing me?
Chat, I should totally be a bad influence. I'm not sure how I should be a bad influence on y'all. I'm gonna do it anyway. Once I figure out how.
Can't believe I'm on a mission with an actual Spectre.
Aw, he's just a baby. I hope he doesn't die. Woo! First nat 20. What do I win?
Okay. I am okay.
Damn.
Oh.
Oh.
You did what?
Oh. It just slipped me to the side.
Yeah.
Ah.
I was using dental floss.
Oh, look at you keeping up on your dental hygiene.
Oh, I've been doing terrible at that, but like, you know.
Hey, you flossed, and that's better than I do. So.
Well, I don't have a choice because like one of the things about me is that like I have weird spacing between my teeth.
Mm-hmm.
And so like when the doctors look at my x-rays, they're like, oh yeah, you have spacing. Do you get stuff like stuck in between your teeth all the time? I'm like, hell yeah. It's annoying as fuck, so I am required to have dental floss on standby, otherwise it'll irritate me for the rest of the day.
That's absolutely fair. I have a tooth that's completely dead in the back of my mouth, and like it's like there's like I had a root canal at one point, and so there's just kind of like a hole there, and things get stuck in it all the time, and it's very annoying.
It's annoying, isn't it?
Yes.
So chat, this is us saying to you, take care of your dental hygiene. Don't be like us.
Please don't be like us. Go get cleanings every 6 months like you were supposed to.
Oh, which I need to definitely go ahead and do that too.
Yeah. I'm just
Okay, so we need to go back to Gridania, and so that we can get on the ship and go back to Ul'dah.
Okay. And like I'm avoiding kind of going to the dentist right now just because I know
I'm like I don't want them to tell me what I need, and because I'm not gonna be like,
yeah,
I know what I'm supposed to do, but God, I don't want to.
I just need a lot of work done on one side.
Same.
So I'm just like, oh, I don't have the money for that right now, and it's nothing.
I don't have the money to do that.
Nothing's bothering me right now, which is good.
I do have something that is bothering me, but it's not enough for me to convince me to go to the dentist right now.
All right, airship landing. Because you said we're going back
like,
to Ul'dah.
Yeah, so we're going back to the airship to get to Ul'dah.
But what you were saying?
Dentists should not be that expensive. Damn it.
It should be a part of healthcare. Like.
It really should, because if something goes wrong with your tooth, good luck, you get an infection in your tooth. That causes a lot of other shit to happen.
Literally, I had an abscess once, and it caused a fever, and I almost couldn't get my work done because I had a fever. Because this was around COVID time, and they're like, if you have a fever, you can't like get in. I was like, but I have a fever because of the abscess. Like, it was bad. So they we're still
back to the camp, or no, we're not.
I don't know.
Are we?
Are we? No, we're going to Little Alamillo.
No, Alamillo. Yeah, no, it's like, wait, something goes wrong with your tooth, the rest of your health is like, dude, I would never wish tooth pain on anybody. In
nobody.
my entire existence.
I've had too many root canals.
I would.
Oh.
I would.
Only
It's my
very
worst
specific.
enemy.
Very
I
specific people.
I totally would. I would definitely wish a toothache on people. So if I don't like you.
Yeah.
But if I don't like you, you did something horribly wrong.
And you deserve it, so.
Not for me not to like a person. To be honest.
Yeah. You have to either piss me off or you have to either piss me off or hurt a friend. And like, it takes a lot for me to get pissed off.
Exactly. So I'm like, if you piss me off, good luck.
Good fucking
And then you gotta
luck.
live with that, because if you piss me off enough, then I start reacting, we're all gonna burn.
Yep.
And people say that, it's like, oh, everybody says that. No, I mean it.
Oh yeah, no. Again, I'm so thankful that you were my friend. Because if we weren't, I'd be afraid of you.
Okay, where are we going?
Looks like it's outside somewhere.
Okay, we can go this way too. I'm afraid to go outside around here with all those monsters running around.
Right? Like, that was terrifying.
It's like 45.
What do you mean? That was 10 levels over that what we were. 11 actually.
If we tried to even jump him, I don't know if we would have survived.
We would not have. It would have been like remember when I faced that level 17 thing when I was level 11?
Oh, and they killed you? Yeah.
Yeah.
It would have been like that, yeah.
That was only 6 levels. Imagine if it was 11 levels. No thanks.
Oh, and just the other one we were fighting in that was close to here, it hit hard as hell.
And there was only one of them. That's when there was like 4. We would have died in 2 hits.
Oh, we can't go out this way. We cannot. That's interesting. This area confuses me. I'm not gonna lie.
I think this is a refugee camp. So like, of course they kind of have to stay hidden for protection.
It confuses me. You put a refugee camp right next to those damn monsters?
Look. There wasn't a lot of choices, okay? Obviously, like, Ul'dah doesn't.
Are y'all strong enough? Like, maybe y'all can jump them, I guess.
Maybe
y'all can jump them.
Because, like, you remember the refugee camp that was, like, right outside the gates of Ul'dah. So, obviously, they don't like people coming into the, like, area. So, you know, it is what it is.
Yeah, we made it to level 35. Woo!
Huzzah!
Ooh, we get a new robe, and it's actually good. It increases, yes.
All
I will
right.
accept, and I will take that robe.
Rendezvous with Wilrid.
Who?
Wilrid, apparently. They're outside.
He's a little far outside. All right, Wilrid. He's not that far.
No. No, hop, skip, and a jump.
Oh, he outside. Did we just really just make a whole loop to go outside when we could have went out the other way?
Probably. See, this is why you shouldn't have followed me either. I was just going. I was just.
If I can't follow you, what am I supposed to do?
Pray. Honestly.
Okay, fair enough. Wow, this person is having a cutscene right here in the middle of the, area.
Because it can, okay? Let them. Who are we to judge?
Wilrid.
Only Josh.
What's up, Wilrid?
Only God can judge me.
Oh. I was like, I thought you said something about Josh. I'm like, Josh who?
I'm about to say I don't know what Josh, but I do, but like I haven't talked to him since high school.
Well, how kind of you to actually wait till we kill your friend and start kind of attacking a little bit later.
Right?
He waited a little bit. He didn't like him. That's what I'm gathering from
Probably
that.
not, honestly.
Alright, cool.
He said get wrecked.
Alright.
You're stronger than you look. Yeah, just because I'm a bunny girl. Sexist.
Sand skin petite.
You just ran off without me.
I bet. Why is that one bigger? Is that like a boss? Oh no, stay away from that one.
Yep. Because you learned your lesson last time with the bigger blue one, didn't you?
I'd still do it. I mean, I didn't learn because I still am tempted to do it, but I ain't gonna.
No. I'm so glad that the cactars aren't aggro. I'd feel bad for killing it. They're so cute.
Yes, I am getting that robe. Give me the new robe.
No. Oh, yeah, that's a good robe. Hey, look, we're about to match again. Wait, when's the last time I looked at my character?
It's been a minute.
Was that a shark? I think that was a shark.
I think so.
Oh, I don't even think that was the best rope for me, actually.
Oh, sorry, I was in the cutscene. I was watching jiggle physics happen.
What? So what? Okay, give me a second. I'm about to go in.
They're not super jiggly, but they jiggle.
It's enough. All right. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Let me look at my armory chest real quick. I just want to be powerful. Or also, I want to match again. We haven't matched in a bit. Woo!
All right. Can we at least pull the hood down?
No, we have to look like cultists. What?
Is what we're looking for in here?
Yes.
What are you looking for?
I have no idea. Ascertain the. Oh, over here.
Map of Zenrak.
So there's one, and then looks like it's in the next area over here.
Oh, it's on the other side. I do not like this camp.
Sorry, me and this guy just like stopped at the same time, and I thought he was looking at me, and so I jumped, and then he just kept running. I was like, oh, okay.
He was like, nope. And I found it. I'll wait till you get here.
Thanks, because I was running like a peasant.
Oh, there's more items around here? Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's 5. So, and then this person riled last.
Oh.
This was the chick from the cutscene, actually.
Yes.
See, there should be.
Alright, what else are we doing around here?
2 more, looks like.
I don't see. Maybe it's down over here somewhere?
Let's see. Is it in?
Can we go through
Not
this
down
door?
there.
I mean, it would be outside of what we need. Yeah, I can't go through the door. Oh, I saw something sparkly over here. I thought I did. I could be going crazy.
You could be.
I'm going crazy. I'm going upstairs. Maybe it's up here.
It's probably upstairs. I forget that there's an upstairs here.
There. Oh, yep, the 2 people we're looking for. They're up here. I thought we were looking for items. We're looking for people now? What the hell?
It's a mix of both sometimes. You never know. Because all the quest says is ascertain the youth's intentions.
Bullred. You're praying to the rock. Okay. Can I just jump down here? I sure can. Did it hurt? Yes.
Cat. I'm just gonna. I'll be down there in a second.
Fat cat.
Very fat cat. Yeah, that's a big ass shark thing. Okay.
Sir, that's a big ass mount.
You saw that, right?
Yes. Like, sir.
Sir, how did you get that? Like, the mounts that you can get are crazy sometimes. Like, my fat cat is tame comparatively. It is fat.
All right, so our next area to go is we're in Alamigo. Okay, it's outside of here. Okay, cool. So let's go outside the gates.
Okay, either way.
All right, I'm gonna go around the edge right here. I am so glad for Memorial Day weekend. It's gonna be so great.
I forget that's a thing.
I mean, you're off work, so you don't have to worry about it. But
I
it's gonna
don't.
be nice.
Girl.
Oh,
I'm broke.
we can fight y'all. Square up, scrubs. Oh,
Like-
you want to square up?
Let's be like the time is nice. The freedom is nice. The lack of funds
Lack of pay?
is not.
Not nice. Sorry, he looked at me funny.
It's okay.
Oh, you looking at us funny?
Mm,
Yeah, I fight.
she does. She throws hands. She is not afraid of you at all.
I'm not. Now your friends, on the other hand.
The bigger ones, yeah, we're afraid of y'all, but that's it. Bye, bestie.
No.
There's a lot of these if you can't tell.
They said you're gonna do this solo dolo.
Mm-hmm.
I need to find a Moogle because I have a letter apparently.
Oh, that's fun.
Bullred is being rebellious.
He is.
Ooh, water time.
Hmm?
I'm drinking my water.
Oh, water is important.
When I'm teaching the class, I drink a lot more water because
You be
Lord have
talking a
mercy,
lot.
I talk a lot. My mouth be dry, but oh,
Oh yeah.
oh, this is it. This is it. Is there one that heals?
I was like, never think that was it.
I always try to take out the healer first if there is one.
That's a smart thing. It goes healer, then ranged attackers, and then whoever's in the front.
Level 28. He's a little stronger than the one in the back.
They're all pushovers. They're fine. At least we get to use our upgraded ruin spells. That's nice. I'm gonna fight the
I'm
big
gonna tell y'all
dude.
right now, if any of y'all die, it's not my fault. You should have done better.
Get good, scrub.
Seriously, you're good. Y'all still ain't killed that level 28er back there?
Nope. I just did though. Get wrecked.
Oh, one of the dudes is dying. He's not. He's dead. I should probably revive him.
Probably.
I was gonna revive him. Oh, the duty failed because I couldn't revive him in time. I just be letting people die.
Well, that
You
is
got
the
good.
quickest way to lose a duty.
Well, you should have got good. All right, take care of the strong ones, I guess.
Oh, let me go here.
What happened to the healer we had earlier?
Did they die?
Probably. I guess I'll go help out and get rid of the ones that are gonna take out the healer. Because the healer is a good person to have on our side.
Oh, always.
Stop attacking the healer, bro. Leave him alone.
You always protect the healer.
I only save you because you're the healer. Alright, now we can jump that guy. Healer, do your job.
Stop yelling at him. Jeez, he's trying his best.
I continue to yell at him. Almost done.
You're good. I wish there was a way I could see like your screen. Just put like
yeah, I'm like, I wish I could.
like a mini version of your screen on my screen. I mean, there's probably a way to do that if you like shared your Discord and I put a picture of that Discord on my chat, on my OBS. Like a picture in picture.
Kill that fool.
I'm just
He's
gonna.
almost dead.
You're good. I'm just gonna be here playing Monopoly Go.
He did.
He did?
He did.
I would say rip, but like no. Burn. Burn.
It's like die, you whole bag. Like I have no shame in failing my duties. No shame.
Yeah. Hey, this is your first time playing this
I'm
game.
gonna fail him again. Oh god, that mount scared the shit out of me.
Oh yeah, but yeah. You will. I've failed so many, and that's why I'm decent at them now. There is no shame whatsoever.
Back to the.
Back to life. Back to reality. Anyways. I need more people to follow us. We're hilarious. Or maybe I'm just vain. Who knows?
I think we need a little bit more presence on our socials, more so than what we do. I guess that'll help. That would probably help.
Probably,
go
but that requires talking to people.
Isn't? Yeah, it does.
And
I
like,
went to the gate that was closest by.
that's fair. And like, speaking
I
on
know
the,
I'll have to be really active on my new page. I am going to have to be hella active on that, but
see, that's when you just throw your mixtape at people.
buy my mixtape. I'm not gonna throw my mixtape at people.
You should.
I want them to actually like what I do.
Well, that's how people got back in the day. Just threw it at them, threw it at their face. I would not suggest actually throwing it at their face, but hey, whatever works, right? We are getting
Now I have to.
10,000 XP per thing right now, and that's amazing.
Oh, we gotta use our letters. Aetheryte tickets or whatever that was there.
You
Vesper Bay tickets, yeah.
that is correct. Yeah. Oh yeah, Aetheryte tickets are I think a little different. Do I have an armory chest that I have not used yet? What's in there?
Huh?
I have an armory chest that I have not used. Oh, it's a weapons coffer.
Oh, we should probably actually look in our... Oh yeah, weapons coffer. What is that?
Let's see.
Use. Okay. Did it give me anything new?
Yeah, probably, but is it worth like changing? I don't think so.
Maybe not. Nope. Everything I have on now is probably the best it's gonna get for me.
I'm actually not like this robe was stronger than the last one I was wearing, but it's technically not the best armor because it has a hood, so I can't wear a hat. And
yeah, that's the only thing I don't like. I'm like, can you give us the option to pull down the hood, please? That'd be nice if we could.
Nah.
And this time I actually pay attention if I actually need to go inside the damn thing. Okay, I do need to go straight ahead. Okay, cool.
Yep. It's
Just keep
okay.
going straight in.
Sometimes you just go and you're like, wait, where am I going? Oh shit, it was back in there. My bad.
Oh yeah, I do that a lot. It's like, oh, I was supposed to go that way. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh
no.
Mimi fella. Girl, you could call us. You making it? I feel like you're just making us come back because you just want to see us. Are you crushing on us?
I mean, maybe.
Like, I mean, I'm with it.
Women.
Like, if you're offering. Just saying.
She says we're both very much in relationships.
He'd be alright.
Also, I love her outfit and it's so cute, but I just think about the pain it would take to make it.
Oh, so much pain.
And I still need a 3D printer.
There's that too.
Cause, you know, I complain about needing a 3D printer, but hey, at least I don't have to like use foam anymore, because I've used foam for exactly one project and that was a bitch. And that was when I did I made Ember's guitar. And that was a lot. I had to it was like I remember being outside of my house because I had to spray paint it. And I had to put like cardboard under it so I wouldn't, you know, spray paint the sidewalk of my apartment.
To the left, to the left.
Everything you want in the box to the left.
Oh, speak to the fairy.
Yep. Your favorite thing.
Okay, we can get out of here now.
Every time I see the other little blue dot, I think it's you, but nope, it's just my carbuncle.
And the carbuncle's like, I'm sticking real close.
Yep. You ain't getting rid of me.
Alright, where are we going? Oh, back to Gridania. God, we are traveling far as hell constantly.
Oh, but at least we can go pick up our other class quest over there.
Yes, I was like, oh, our class quest is over there, so I won't complain too much.
This dude's a jester. Darn, I'm right here. I was like, if I can do this fast enough, I can harvest dance. But no.
Alright, we gotta get to an Aetheryte, go back to Uldal. Where we at?
Let's see. You mean Gridania?
No. I know, but we gotta go back to Uldal to get to Gridania.
Correct.
Stand by what I said.
She said what she motherfucking said.
Do you want to go to Gridania? Yes, I want to go to Gridania. What else am I talking to you for?
I mean,
He's
what
like,
if we want?
He's like, if you want to go to this little Mensa.
What if we want to go to the Gold Saucer and go gambling and play some mahjong? You know?
Mahjong.
Okay.
Where are we going? Okay, we're here to collect our
class quest,
what? Class quest?
which I think that's at the amphitheater, right?
Yeah, that's where we went last time. But it was by the amphitheater, but I think we had to walk some ways back to get to it. I want to say.
That's a fat chocobo.
It's fat.
It was so chunky. It reminded me of the chunky Pikachu, which I call Chunkachu. I remember, so you know me, I like to collect Pokemon cards. And I got what's called the Celebrations pack, which was a 25th anniversary pack. And
Why are you still saying it's locked for us?
Weird. Oh, here's a delivery Moogle, by the way. You said you had a letter?
Yeah, where is he?
Right, good. Turn around.
Right there.
Anyways, I pulled a chunky Pikachu and like in my best gremlin voice, I was like, Chunkachu! And I was very, very excited. And then we pulled 2 more. It was a great day.
Chunkachus.
And so...
Okay, it's up this way, but does it still show red on your map? Because it shows red for me still.
I have not looked. I'm just going to go over there and see.
Maybe that'll change when we get there. Got all the Chunkachus.
Yeah, so gave one to my husband. Yeah, no, that's still locked for some reason. Let's see. And then we gave one to my husband's best friend.
Hello?
Why? Oh, we have to defeat the next primal, and we're not there yet. So we probably have
I'm
to.
assuming that's a story quest, ain't it?
Yep.
All right. So
I do appreciate that this game's just like, hey, I appreciate that you want to get farther in your class, but focus on the story for a little bit. Just for a little
it's a place
bit.
I haven't been to before. Okay, I know where we're going.
Okay.
We have to walk to where we need to go to get out of here, but we'll get
Ghetto!
We'll get there. Until we get out of this city.
I ran into a pole.
We could have just teleported, but I mean, I already started walking.
You did.
I mean, actually no, there was no need to teleport because where we're going is like right here.
I love the music in these areas. It's so nice.
All right, it's out this way.
Okay. Whee! So if you've noticed, I've always jumped over every single like blue thing, and I blame my husband for that because he made me start doing. He didn't make me. I just he started that trend for me. I'm just like,
we
jump.
can go down this way. Look at the ground squirrel.
I still need to kill these in my other character, but
For the little whatever it's called, encyclopedia thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started doing that on my other file because I'm like, the completionist in me said do it. But hey, nothing's gonna attack us.
Nope. If anything, they'd run away if they wanted to.
I do not like the scorpions.
Yeah.
Oh, those will attack, and they are a lot stronger. They're not a lot stronger than us per se, but they are pretty strong.
They can get wrecked too.
Okay, where exactly is this quest? Okay, well, 8th right first, quest second.
Okay. It's probably in the house. Hey, Chocobo Keep. Actually, you don't really need them. I'm still gonna get it though. just because I want to. Okay, now look at the aetheryte. But it's probably in the building, but back there.
It is. I just wanted to get the aetheryte first because then I'll get distracted. Then I'll forget to get it.
I am not long
Okay.
for this world. Sir, you are dramatic.
We gotta soothe his ass.
I mean, obviously.
Oops, I spelled soothe with a 4 instead of an E.
You said a 4? How? Oh,
Yeah,
actually,
4.
you know what? Never mind. E is very close to 4 on the keyboard.
Yeah, I'm like, whoopsie.
Does therapy exist in this realm?
Like, they have, it's like, go talk to a healer. That's like their other, like, class.
Like
Therapist.
a cleric. Just a day, just an ordinary day. Just trying to get by. People are real brave on Twitch. I saw another VTuber because I was like going through different VTubers to see what like how they're doing their like their music streams, and I straight saw someone singing "Creep" by Radiohead, and I'm just like, how are you not getting DMCA? Because they can live DMCA you, and they had like 41 viewers at the time. I'm just like, how? I'm not that brave. I would love to, but I am not that brave. Especially because we multi-stream and YouTube don't play about that.
YouTube is real strict about that. Okay, we gotta go outside this village and we gotta, I guess, slay Ziz.
What the fuck is a Ziz?
I don't know who that is, but alright, I'm gonna pretend like
Is it a creature? It sounds like it might be a creature.
It says 3 of 3. I'm like, that sounds like slay Ziz. That doesn't sound like a creature. But I'm gonna just roll what it says.
Right? I just do what I'm told, you know? I drink water and mind my business. We're about to find out. Play golem. That's not a Ziz.
We're here.
Oh, nope, just kidding. Maybe this one?
Oh, these things.
That's a Ziz. Cool.
Why didn't I not play Ziz?
They kind of look like those one lizards from Holes. You know? The spotted lizards with the big ass necks.
Yeah. I don't know what's targeting me. But
I don't know either.
I think it's what that dude was fighting behind us.
Oh, it's the balloon that's right in front of us.
Dude, if you don't get the hell out of here.
They want the smoke.
Oh, we're getting jumped by balloons? Jeez.
They're fire balloons. They're kind of dangerous. Thank you, Morgan, for helping us in Guild Goon.
Yes, thanks, Morgan.
I've seen the Goon Guild so many times since playing this game.
They're up to their goonery, I guess.
I guess just gooning. And it was just like, how are you all a part of the Goon Guild? Or is it just that
It doesn't take much to get into the goon guild.
I
You just
don't-
gotta commit some goonery.
Yep. Apparently there are like clubs in Final Fantasy XIV though, and I kind of want to go to one just to see what it's like.
My chocobo is on your table.
My going live notification was like, "Hey, do you want to see my chocobo?"
Well, there's 2 story quests here.
Oh shit!
Okay, I wasn't expecting 2 quests.
It'd be like that sometimes.
Okay, which one's closer? They're both right by each other, so yeah. Okay, cool. Back out this way, I guess.
Za. Yep.
Okay, I got stuck on the 8th, right?
Same.
That was an odd place to get stuck, but alright.
It's because there was like a little fountain around it. And we got stuck in the water. I do not like the way that mountain moves. It's kind of creepy. I already see our destination, but we're gonna have to find a Ziz first. Yep. Maybe not? Just kidding. Okay. That's fine.
Surveying the area. That's taking a while.
It'd be like that sometimes. You gotta watch out, you know? Oh, there it is.
Oh, that's what that other guy was just doing. We gotta fight this giant thing.
Get wrecked, scrub. All right, do you want to go get the other one first before we complete it? Which is,
where is
looks
that
like
at?
this way?
Okay, it's up this way, I guess.
Fuck y'all.
Oh, can't go up that way. Well, guess it looks like we're going the other way. Wait, where do we go?
Let's go up and around maybe? This way?
Can we go down this way? Is it perhaps down this way and we...
Yeah, it's this way.
Okay, it's this way and then we turn. Okay, cool.
Yep. Why are there so many
Let's
things
kinda-
that want to kill us here? It's kind
We
of
can all
rude.
catch these hands.
I know.
What's a duty?
Maybe. Is it? Let's see. We have to... How do we interact with this? Oh, wait. We have to use a item.
Item?
Yeah. Key
What item are we
item.
using?
Fire sand stick. Use.
Where is that at?
It's in your key. So you go to your inventory, and the very last thing that has like a bag on the top.
Got it.
Kaboom.
Okay, was that over here?
Yep. I was like, what do I do here?
Get crystals.
Why are those golems so thick?
Hmm.
By the way, that short, the one about, you know, clapping monster cheeks, got 2,000 views.
I'm dead.
Literally my second highest short ever.
I told you. I'm just hilarious.
You are hilarious.
You're like, we're not clapping monster cheeks, me. Oh.
Boo.
Why not?
Because that's dangerous.
Hey, stay away from me.
So the soldier went to attack it. Okay, I see you, soldier.
Oh, no. Fuck his ass up since he wanted to fight so badly.
Right? Like...
You want to be extra.
I'm just gonna clap for this guy, even though he does not care.
He did his job well.
He did. That's the first time I've ever actually seen that. This guy is doing
He said, I take my job very seriously.
Weird. I thought we fixed this.
Oh, is your game doing it again?
Yeah, it did. It lagged out, which was very weird, and I don't know why. We were doing fine, and then we weren't. Like, it reconnected real quick, and so that was fine.
You stop that. We're not doing this again.
We are not. Though I just realized I still had one of my browsers on in the background.
That would explain a lot.
All right. I love this little dance. It's like the best. And it's so funny because you can hear, like, because it's on like a wood surface, you can hear the, like, little stomps.
Cluck, 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 cluck.
Yep.
I told you I found that other dance quest.
Oh yeah. Gonna find them all. That also requires...
I know. I remember exactly where it's at too. So if we ever make it back to Limsa, I know exactly where it's at.
Awesome. I would like another dance.
Do the jig. I've been doing a lot of side quests on my other file, even if they are lower, for that exact reason. Because I'm like, I want to find more emotes.
Give me a dance. I was like, what are we doing? We're searching for a maiden's corpse. That's not morbid at all.
Oh, okay, it's down this way.
Up. See? See?
Because as soon as I went up that way, it was like down.
And I almost got distracted by the sky again. Space. You
We
know,
are going to be attacked by these Ziz, so we might as well just take them out.
that's fine. I don't think I've actually ever been to a planetarium. Which is actually kind of shocking.
What is this, What is this? I didn't even hit you. Where did you come from?
You know, it also wanted to be killed. You know?
I guess I just gotta decimate everything here because I'm gonna walk in almost everything's path, I guess.
Literally, so like it's fine. Just die. So
Balloon.
it wants to be popped. See? Look at it. Popped.
Okay, anyways.
Oh, hey, look. There's the
A
corpse.
mangled corpse.
Lovely.
Oh.
What
Floating eye.
in
I
the
can't stand these things.
fuck are you?
Floating eye. Dead.
I think they're called beholders in D&D. Speaking of D&D, plug real quick. Follow Fresh Rolls RPG on Twitch for D&D almost every Sunday, and it's great.
Father Clark, the corrupted priest. is
I
hilarious.
love Barth. Like, low key, I'm about to sacrifice my own Sunday streams so I can join D&D more often because it sounds so fun and I miss it so much.
Oh, it's been great. Like, you came in, we started singing. Oh, God. You're like, what the hell?
Yep, and I'm just, like when they forgot Father's turn, I was like, forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Oh, so we just brought the body and put it on the floor.
Oh, she don't even have a face.
Nope. Okay, that's cool.
Cool, I guess. Or did they put like a mask over her?
I probably, but it does not negate the fact that we just took her whole body and just
Yeah, like did we just tie it back to our mouth and just drag it across there? How did that even work?
we didn't like put a tarp over it or nothing, just body. It's just like let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the
we didn't give it a
floor.
chance. Okay, we got a mission, and where is it going to be? Secret White Lily. It is going to be in New Gridania, which we can just float back to.
Let me
Oh, we
get
can
the
walk.
quest first. Jesus.
We can walk.
Can we walk?
I mean, we can mount, right? I mean, it's really not that big of a deal either way.
Okay. I just like using my mount whenever I can.
That's pretty much where I was at. I'm like, we can use the mount. Oh, we're gonna go this way, actually. I lied.
You bitch. All right, so let's see. That looked like it was a fate. Have fun with that. Those are some.
What happened?
Oh, I was just the guy was fighting. It was,
Person.
yeah, they were like purple, and I was just like, oh, that's probably a fate or a different quest. Game. Sorry, it thought I clicked out again, and I'm just like, God damn it. Okay.
Tell your game to get it together.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Here I am. Goodbye. Whee!
Okay.
Why does it feel like my mount is faster than it
Yeah,
was?
thought I was tripping. My why the fuck the chocobo's going faster? Am I
Like-
going crazy?
I am zooming right now. Whee!
I'm like, did we like get like an extra speed on the mount? What the hell just happened?
I do wonder, because I know that when you level up, your mount can get faster. I just don't know when that happens. It might be now, which would explain that. But I was like, why are we zooming right now? Like, gotta go fucking fast.
Where are we at?
I don't know. Where are we at?
Let me check the map.
Welcome
where are
in,
we on
Ghost
the map?
Sage. This game, yeah, this game is so fun. I love it.
Okay, we're going to the 8th right here.
This is not my first time playing. This is my best friend's first time playing. But I decided to start a whole brand new character with her just so I can just go. We can level together, and it's been so much fun. Like normally I have. Where are we going, bestie? I was talking to chat.
Back to the main New Gridania, the main 8th right in the plaza.
Okay. Sorry about that. Normally, I lost my train of thought.
Something about playing this game normally.
Nope, the thought was gone. Anyways, not my first time playing. Oh, I was saying normally on my channel I play a few different games at a time. I'm a variety streamer, but I might be a Final Fantasy streamer now because like we have been obsessed with this game. Like if I'm not playing it on my channel, we're playing it on her channel. And it's just been so much fun.
Alright, where to next?
When you played, what class did you play? And then what expansion did you end on?
This way. I am locked the fuck in.
She is locked the fuck in right now, chat. And I'm letting her lead because I have another character with my husband, and we're in Stormblood, so like I've been through all this before. But
wait. All right, we're taking the 8th right, and we're going to the Lancers Guild.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait. What are we doing?
No, I was doing that song.
Okay. Lancers Guild.
Wait. Sylvester, is that you?
Oh wow, you were all the way in Dawntra. Okay. You should absolutely come back. Because like
what's his name? Senegold?
Senegold.
What is your name?
It looks like Senegold.
Okay, what is your name, sir?
Swapped over to Reaper because Edgelord and my point Xena. That's fair. That's fair. I mean, I think everyone should play this game at least 3 times. But it sounds like you've played at least 5, so maybe it's up to you. This is only actually my second time playing through the story ever. So it's fun to go back and see all the things that like all the foreshadowing that you've definitely missed because it was your first time through. And that's been the fun part about this. I haven't really skipped over too many like major cutscenes.
Yay, level 36.
And like every time I see a character that like comes in later or has a major part later, I'm just like, hey, I know you. But I can't obviously say much because spoilers. And there's just some things, as you know, that you just have to experience for yourself.
So they were trying to do a rejuvenation ritual.
Apparently so.
So you were a part of it. He's like, I couldn't really take it. Don't you bow to me, you heathen.
That's what they all say.
I wanted no part of it here, and it's like, yes, you did.
Yes, you did, because you could have left at any time. At any time.
I would have been like, yo, what? I'm out.
Peace. And you're like, the vibes are off right now.
You liked it, didn't you? You sicko.
So sorry, I just hit my microphone with my actual phone. My bad, if you heard that.
Why are you smacking your microphone?
Because I can. Don't yell at me.
Alright, now we gotta go to Central Shroud.
You see how she treats me?
I didn't yell.
She's always yelling at me.
I didn't yell this time. Maybe next time I
She's
will.
see, she said this time, which means she's yelled at me before. Abuse.
Yep, and I'll do it again.
See? See? Look at what I have to deal with.
You willingly choose to be here.
I know. It's a toxic relationship. Where are we going?
Let's see. We are going to go to... Hold on. I gotta see. I think we're going south, I want to say. So we're going to go back to the plaza and head downward. Yes, we're going to head into the main one.
Why don't we just travel to Bent Branch Meadow?
For what?
Isn't that where our place is?
Oh, I didn't know we had that. I didn't know we had that discovered yet. I don't know why I didn't realize we had that discovered yet.
Doing too much, ma'am. Doing way too much.
Let me live my best life.
No. No, I think I won't. I think I will not.
Are you here?
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm right here. I got here before you.
Okay. I
We,
didn't see you moving.
we must have got a speed upgrade because we are going so fast. We have to go this way probably. Bestie. Bestie,
What?
come back.
Wait, where did you go?
Up.
Oh, this is about to get real interesting.
And then pause real quick. There's a message in chat I need to read and focus. Agree with you. Honestly, there's some wild moments for real. Y'all reminded me of me and my boys who used to run together. Imagine a black mage and a paladin teaching a summoner and just convincing him to run blind. Or I mean, yeah, literally. Like she has another character that's almost the exact same level as us. I was like, you can't pass this because I need to see your reactions to everything. Like, I know that we're nowhere near the end of A Realm Reborn, but that very last cutscene, I'm so excited for us to get there just because I'm so excited to see her reaction. Like, it's so fun. Yeah, we're both chaos incarnate, and she's even more so, and she'll tell you that if you haven't already tell. But yeah, we have fun here. We have fun. She also likes to leave me, so there's that too.
Gotta move. Gotta go fast.
She also loves Sonic, so she does.
Oh, these are level 30. Oh, this is right up our alley. Oh, I'm ready to fight everything.
Yeah. So these things over here, these fuckers.
Marlboros?
Yeah. Someone over here has a quest to try to beat them. I got my shit rocked the other day, and I was like, nope, I'm not doing this again. Not alone.
I'm like, I'm familiar with this area. I ran through here the other day on my other account, and I was like, nope, not fighting shit. Just keep running.
Just keep running.
We might have to fight this guy at the gate, though.
Fuck this guy.
We will. He can die.
I mean, you're sitting right in his line of fire, so
I don't give a shit.
obviously.
He's gonna have to see an ophthalmologist when he's done with me.
Wow. I hate you. I hate you so much. Oh, this is gonna be a duty, isn't it?
Oh, they're trying to jump you, bestie. Leave her alone.
Get wrecked!
Now you're being invulnerable because you have to reset your position.
Oh, cowards! Cowards!
Don't run away from me.
You're the ones who want. I was just gonna run past you, but you guys decided to
You
fight.
wanted the smoke, you take the smoke, damn it.
Bitch.
I am going to be the speck of dust that blinds you in that eyeball.
Oh, that's the worst, actually.
I'm gonna be that random bug that hits you in the eye.
But yeah, this is absolutely gonna be a duty. Yep. Okay, do you want to go with people or do you want to just do it solo and go with NPCs?
I mean, people's been fun so far. We're just interested to see who we get.
Okay. Hauke Manor. I don't think that's how you said that at all. You beat me to it. This is basically like our idle dance. We're just gonna wait and dance while we wait for people. And we're both playing Arcanist right now, so the wait is always a little bit extended because we have to wait for a tank and a healer. Fun. But what was your favorite class to play? Were you mainly a tank? Were you mainly a healer? Were you mainly DPS? Give me all the details since we have some time to chat. Also, I'm gonna turn on Spotify because the lack of music is kind of a lot. Just gonna lo-fi and chill right now while we wait.
Lo-fi it up. Black Mage.
All right, mainly DPS. Okay. What was your favorite expansion? Because I hear great things about Shadowbringers. I'm not that far yet. We're in Stormblood, my husband and I. And obviously this is her first time playing, so she's obviously not past a Realm Reborn. I've only ever played DPS roles, Arcanist and Archer. Wow, I don't know why I could not think of Archer for a second. Yeah, my very first character was an Archer. And then this one, and my other one is a Arcanist. Oh, wow, you started at the beginning. I'm so jealous. But I have no one else to blame but myself, because I started this game technically back in 2019. But then I stopped because I personally couldn't get into it quite yet. But also 2019 was when I was like, ironically, super social. And so I just didn't have the time to commit to MMO, and I didn't have a lot of people to play with yet. And then I picked it back up in like 2021. Oh, hey, look, we're ready. That was quicker than expected.
Yay!
Woo!
Ew.
Yeah, that was gross.
Haunted Mansion.
That's absolutely valid. I was working full time. I was working at a bank. So there was also that too. And so I spent my free time actually being outside for once. All right, let's go. Okay.
All right, I'm just gonna follow. Oh, okay. Where are we going?
Okay, this is the worst time for you to do that. Okay, let's go. I was like, does anyone know where we're going? Because I don't.
I sure hell don't. I'm just following whoever.
I mean, I was like, who's our tank right now?
I feel like we're about to be leading a lot because at the rate we're going right now, nothing is happening.
Oh, heal! Oh my god! No. Huh?
Wait, I can revive you. I can revive you. I think I can. Did you already leave?
No, I got revived, but like, there's no way I should have died right there. Like,
What did you get killed by?
I don't know, but why is not the healer not healing, you know? Cause that was crazy.
I'm like, how did you die? All right, where we going? Oh, we still got one more thing to kill. I did not realize we were killing.
Yeah, like we're... Sorry, I got real distracted just then because I was like, how did I die in the first like 2 minutes of this? Where's the... Oh, there's the tank right there.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
Okay,
like,
I'm just like, what? I'm so used to like the tank taking charge. So this one's gonna be fun.
That's what I said. Like, I feel like we're gonna have to take the lead on this one a lot because it seems like the tank won't move unless we move. Why does that attic bat have a lot of fucking defense?
Because
It's level 28 for Christ's sake.
okay,
Okay.
yeah, because we have to find this key, I guess.
Where?
We have to find the key, and I don't know where that is.
Okay, no key back
Okay,
here. So.
well, I have to turn my brain on for a second, which is something I am not used to.
I'm like, okay. Ma'am, you are the healer? What the hell are you doing?
I don't know. I think they forgot that they're the healer. Oh, media must be so tough though. Like, good on you. Oh shit.
Oh shit, I'm getting out of the way.
Yeah, cause like, yes, working at a bank is tiring cause, you know, people and dealing with their money, but media is just so much work. I say that as someone who used to be a theater major, so I can only imagine what you had to do.
Oh, we found the key.
Huzzah!
Alright, ma'am, you should let the tank.
You know what? We're just gonna vibe at this point. Unless she is the... No,
No, she's a healer.
she's the healer. Why are you sprinting? Oh my god. I apologize in advance. I'm probably gonna be yelling a lot because this is giving... So I will say I have bad road rage, but like, I hate being in a town with like tourists and they just like walk in the middle of the street and I'm just like, fucking go. And so that's what this is giving right now. And so I can already tell it's gonna be very loud and I apologize in advance. I'm a nice person, I promise. I just hate dumb people.
Oh shit. Oh, our tank is tanking now. Thank
Good,
you.
okay. Jesus Christ. On a bike. Okay, that's a lot that's happening right
Oh,
there.
that's a lot going on here.
Okay. Okay, why are you attacking me?
Hello, get up off me.
For real, like, back up. Okay,
Back up, bro.
thank you,
Okay,
Kate.
tank. Oh god. Oh Lord, have mercy.
No one is getting commendations in this one. Fuck all of you.
Lord have mercy.
I'm still mad that I've died once. Like, I'm actually kind of salty.
Okay. I don't blame you.
Why? Okay. Oh, what's going on?
It was me.
Okay.
She was after. She wanted my cheeks aplenty.
You can't have her cheeks. Those are my cheeks.
Why am I the victim? I don't want to be. I know my cheeks are dummy thick, but calm down, lady. Damn.
I hate you.
You see that? You see that? She could have went for anybody else, but she wanted my cheek meat.
She wanted your cheek. I can't blame her. You dummy thick over here.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
This is why I stay so far away, because I don't believe playing these reindeer games over here. Why me? Fuck you.
She can take the carbuncle.
No, you can't have a carbuncle. That's my baby. I haven't named it, but that's still my baby.
Healer, get out of her attack, please.
Why aren't you dead yet?
Dude, I feel like we've been wailing on her a lot. Like, god damn.
Jesus, okay. You know what? Fuck I don't even want the treasure.
Look at the treasure.
Healer, where are you going? Oh, my blood pressure.
Did she open the door? Did she already go?
I don't.
Where did she go?
She's right. Do you know where you're going? Because I don't.
We just walked in a big old circle. Where? Oh god, where are all y'all?
We're back in the. Okay, there you are.
All right, I'm here.
Oh, Lord. What the fuck are you doing?
You know what?
Fuck it.
Ma'am, you should have just played a tank.
Like, I feel like you forget that you're a healer. Like, you are so aggressive for no reason.
You know what? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of vibe with it.
Like, it'd be fine if we were all, like, if she was following the tank who was supposed to be aggressive, great. But like, obviously me and you are quote unquote sprouts. We don't know what we're doing. So having someone who's so aggressive isn't the best strategy.
You know what? I ain't mad at it. Wait, ma'am. We running or not? What are we doing?
We're killing. Like, we have 80 goddamn minutes. We have time. Yes, there is a speed bonus, but I feel like if you get it done within like 20 minutes, you typically get the speed bonus, and it's never that serious. But maybe I'm just salty because I died. Who knows? There's a key. Hello? Okay. I guess.
Found a key.
I guess fuck the keys.
I'm gonna get this other key.
Okay. Bye, guys. You could. I'm mad.
What happened?
I'm mad that they didn't like just. We got the keys and they're like, you know what? Fuck these keys.
I have the keys if that's what you're looking for.
Like, I don't know if we need the keys, but like, fuck.
I'm gonna get out of the destruction and chaos.
Yeah, like, why are you after me, you skeleton ass bitch? No, honestly, as I'm used to. Okay, I'm used to this game. What do you mean? No tank stance. Sometimes I'm a little silly. Sometimes I'm a little slow.
I'm coming. If you would have waited, you would. Okay. I'll just move my ass back in here.
Sometimes I'm a little neurodivergent. Oh yeah, I have no idea then. Yeah, I will say this is the first time I've dealt with a party like this. But that's because I typically play with my husband, who he goes off and on tank. But this is honestly a first that I have had a healer that's not the best and a tank who I don't know what the fuck is right now. Yeah,
I guess I'll start. Shit.
You're the one who.
What the fuck's... Where is our tank?
Okay.
Oh, he said wait. Oh my god.
Homie, you're the one who ran in here first. Am I tripping when that, like, because she ran in here first, right? Right?
I don't even know what's going on anymore. I'm just here.
Please, chat, tell me if I'm crazy. We just followed, right?
He's like, wait. I'm like, wait. It's like, I'm sorry. I didn't think we were waiting. We were playing really
Okay,
aggro, so
I'm not crazy. Okay, cool. Cool,
right.
thank you.
All right.
Bitches. Sorry, I'm mad.
Lord have mercy.
How are you gonna tell me to wait when you keep running ahead? That's my question. Sorry. I'm not tilted. I'm fine. We're great. I'm amazing right now. You're okay. Okay.
I'm like, please tell me we're almost done with this. Cause Lord have mercy, this has been like
Jesus Christ on a bike. Don't like that laugh at all.
All right. So why are you in the room already, ma'am?
Bitch. It's a good. Like Destiny's Child says, I'm not gonna diss you on the internet because my mama taught me better than that. But okay.
All right, well he's gonna be. Oh Jesus!
Okay.
There is no safe.
There is no dodging that.
I'm so glad that I can heal myself.
I'm paralyzed.
I'm alive. Oh, I couldn't move.
Yeah, we were paralyzed. At least this is the last thing that we have to do, because god damn. Gee, okay.
Whoa.
Okay. Cool.
No. Resist the thick.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, that helps. So whenever we see the eye symbol, turn around. And then it won't paralyze me. Okay.
She's almost dead.
Bitch. Thank you for that, because that was so helpful. I appreciate you. Whew, okay.
Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm not gonna tell you you did a great job, because you didn't.
You did not. Please wait, bitch. Mm.
No GGs.
No GGs at all. Danny, you will get a commendation from me, but not hotkeys. Fuck you, hotkeys.
There's nothing I want here. I guess I'll just snatch the earrings, I guess, just because they're here.
Once this cutscene ends, though, that's gonna be where we call it today.
Huh?
1 second. Got Aussians to deal with.
Now, who the hell are y'all? Oh no, this goes down like how my stories go. Oh no.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Stop it. I'm so done with you.
No, you're not. It's like, ooh, I read about how this happened.
Oh
I know where this is going.
no.
Poor little old me.
Anywho, before she says something out of pocket again, we're gonna end it there. By the way, the repo standing outside is me. I was strolling around to do a specific fate, and the hunt chain logged out there. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Well, feel free to join us again on Thursday, same time, same place here on Twitch and YouTube. It was lovely having you here. We appreciate your advice. we will see you because I stream every Tuesday and Thursday for sure. Sometimes Sunday, and then she streams every Monday and Wednesday, but she won't be here tomorrow. But yeah. You have a great night. We will see you next time.